In the days when Israel and Judah suffered at the hands of their enemies, the prophet Obadiah received a vision from the Lord, a message directed not to Israel, but to Edom, the nation descended from Esau. The Edomites, perched high among the rocky crags of Seir, believed their mountain strongholds were impenetrable and their wisdom unmatched. Yet while Jerusalem was plundered and her people carried away, Edom delighted in the downfall of its kinsmen. Some Edomites stood aloof, watching from afar. Others joined in, blocking escapees or looting destroyed homes. Obadiah's voice rang out, a short book, but one searing with divine fire. The pride of your heart has deceived you, you who dwell in the clefts of the rock. Though you soar like the eagle, from there I will bring you down. Obadiah warned Edom that their confidence in earthly power, alliances, and wisdom would soon collapse. God's justice would reach even the highest mountain fortress. Yet, Obadiah's prophecy was not only for Edom. It echoed a theme found across all Scripture. The Lord's sword reaches every nation, but His mercy and restoration, even for those who suffered, will yet dawn. Toward the end, Obadiah proclaims, "But on Mount Zion there will be deliverance. It will be holy, and Jacob will possess his inheritance. The defeated will be restored, not by their own might, but by God's faithfulness." Obadiah stands as a sharp reminder that God opposes pride and injustice wherever they are found, and upholds the humble and those who trust in Him. Though brief, its timeless warning passes through the ages. Watch that you do not exult over others' suffering, nor trust in earthly strength, for God's kingdom endures, and the humble will be lifted up. The lesson of Obadiah is this: God humbles the proud and exalts the humble, for the Lord your God is mighty to save.